Welcome to another episode of Integrating Your Spiritual Gifts, Your Wholeness, all that is. And today, the integration that comes very strongly through is the integration of your spiritual self with your human self. I hear the conversations of this person is spiritual and this person is not spiritual. We're all spiritual. As long as we're connected to spirit, we're spiritual. As long as we have a soul, we're spiritual. So make no mistake, there's no competition. Let's not bring the matrix world into this amazingness because everyone is spiritual. Everyone is ascending. We're simply at different stages or different paths of that journey. There's no better or worse, there's no advanced or less than. It is simply this present moment in time. Every role that is played in society on a spiritual level is important. The roles of leaders that are pure are important. The roles of those who follow that path of leaders are important. And even those who are now following that path are important. Because how would you know which is the right path if everything already was perfect? You would have had arrived at the level of oneness. But there's too much to grasp for your whole field to let that go and become one in this instant. But it's all possible. So, how do we integrate the divinity or the spiritual self, that world beyond the physical eye or perception that we have so far? In this world, become both. Allow yourself the freedom to be both. What if you were going to the grocery store? You could go as your only human self and go through these steps. Or you can go as your spiritual self, and as you go through the aisle, see yourself sprinkling this magic. If you're carrying that level of love or joy, you sprinkle that through the field that you're moving through. Right? If you walk into the store and you're just so whole, full, and you trained yourself enough to hold a certain frequency, whether it's joy, whether it's inner peace, whether it's excitement, whatever the field that you normally bathe in, hopefully is higher than neutrality. You're like, Veronica, you're dreaming. Yes. And that is the goal, to eventually come to the level of neutrality and above. To have that as our normal field. Neutrality, that means anything that I observe and see around does not affect me. I'm simply the observer with no judgment, no good and bad, less or more than. And that is neutrality. And that is the ultimate inner peace we all strive for. So to integrate that, be both as you walk through the life, as you do the mundane things. Bring that fairy-like energy, bring that priest-like energy, whatever you find yourself to be in the spirit world, the amazingness that you discover yourself to be in this meditations, in these places when you explore beyond your humanness. Integrate that in your real world by combining both, because you are it. So if you see yourself as being this angelic fairy, then walk this 3D world fairy-like and be the embodiment of it, regardless of what your job or your role in society is. So that is how you begin integrating the two worlds, whatever you believe yourself and see yourself to be. If you see yourself to be this royalty, this leader, this king, this queen in your meditations, in your explorations of your wholeness, that means you hold that in your DNA. So you integrate that in your real life by being that leader, by being that example, by standing for what is right for the greater good of whole. You are the king, the queen. It's not just receiving the worship of a king or a queen, but also leading. There's always a flow. So, whichever you discover, parts that you discover yourself to be, they are held within your DNA. And this meditations and this explorations beyond your human logic. You integrate that in your real life by being it. You will know. The rest will feel it. You will bridge the thin layer between the two worlds. As more of us do this, the layer becomes thinner and thinner. Our telepathic abilities to communicate, to understand, to sense authenticity from miles away will bloom. So, as scary as we are, that we're turning into this robotic world with AI and all these things, trying to replace the human race, might not be as you see it. Maybe that is a wake up call for you to begin exploring your own possibilities, your powers, the gifts dormant within you. So, as we plant the seed, as we integrate all that you see yourself to be, all that you remember yourself to be in this 3D world, then you become it. And as the layer between the worlds becomes thinner and thinner, we'll be able to discern what is ours, what is not. And integrating your wholeness, your spiritual abilities in this realm is the biggest gift that you can give yourself, the biggest realization. So gift yourself. Integrate your spirituality in the 3D world and become that beautiful being, the highest being you see yourself when you bathe in these frequencies. Integrate your amazingness in the 3D world.